The 2026 continues to stand out as one of the most exciting three-wheel motorcycles available for riders who want something different from traditional bikes. With its aggressive design, automatic transmission, and rider-friendly controls, the Ryker appeals to both beginners and experienced riders who enjoy a unique riding experience on the road. One of the first things people notice about the 2026 Ryker is its bold and futuristic styling. The low stance, muscular body panels, and wide front wheels give it a sporty look that attracts attention everywhere it goes. Unlike conventional motorcycles, the Ryker has two wheels in the front and one in the rear, which adds stability and a distinctive appearance. The riding position on the Ryker is designed for comfort and control. Riders sit low in the frame with their feet forward, which creates a relaxed cruiser-like posture. The adjustable footpegs and handlebars allow different riders to quickly customize the riding position without tools, making it accessible for a wide range of heights. Powering the 2026 model are reliable engines from, typically offered in 600cc and 900cc versions. The 900 ACE engine is especially popular because it delivers strong acceleration, smooth performance, and excellent reliability for both city riding and longer trips. One of the biggest advantages of the Ryker is its automatic CVT transmission. Riders do not need to worry about shifting gears or operating a clutch. This makes the vehicle very beginner-friendly and allows riders to focus more on steering, balance, and enjoying the ride. Handling is another strong point of the 2026 Ryker. Thanks to the two front-wheel design, the vehicle feels very stable while cornering. The wide stance and low center of gravity help riders feel confident even when taking turns at moderate speeds. Safety technology is also a key feature of the Ryker. Systems like stability control, traction control, and anti-lock braking work together to help keep the rider safe in different road conditions. These electronic systems automatically adjust the power and braking to maintain control. The braking system is simple yet effective. A single foot pedal controls braking for all three wheels, which makes stopping easier compared to traditional motorcycles that use both hand and foot brakes. This system is particularly helpful for new riders. Another attractive feature of the Ryker is the high level of customization available. Riders can choose from different colors, wheels, graphics, and accessories to personalize their vehicle. Many owners enjoy modifying their Ryker to create a unique style. Storage options on the Ryker are limited compared to larger touring motorcycles, but accessories like small cargo racks and bags can be added. These upgrades allow riders to carry essential items during short trips or weekend rides. Fuel efficiency is relatively good for a three-wheel roadster with this level of performance. The efficient Rotax engines provide a balance between power and economy, allowing riders to enjoy long rides without frequent fuel stops. The 2026 Ryker is also known for being easier to maintain than many traditional motorcycles. Its belt drive system requires less maintenance than chain drives, and the modern engine design is built for durability and reliability. Another reason for the Ryker's popularity is its accessibility. In many regions, riders do not need the same type of motorcycle license required for two-wheel sport bikes. This makes it easier for new riders to enter the world of powersports. The riding experience itself is quite unique. Unlike a motorcycle where riders lean into turns, Ryker riders steer more like a car or ATV. This different style of riding takes a little time to learn but quickly becomes fun and engaging. Overall, the 2026 Can-Am Ryker offers an exciting combination of style, performance, and simplicity. Its stable three-wheel design, automatic transmission, and customizable features make it a great choice for riders who want a fun and distinctive road machine.